To customize the watch face of your Garmin Forerunner 945, press and hold the up button to reach the menu and select with the start-stop button watch face. From here, you can navigate with the up and down button through all of those watch face available. You can even add some with the Garmin Connect app, but just navigate to the one that satisfies you the most. And when you are happy with that, you navigate with the up and down button. And when you're happy with that, you select it with the start-stop button. Then you can simply apply it just like that, or you can customize it. So if we go into customize, you can customize the layout again. So you can change some things into it. So again, you take the one that satisfies you the most. If we come back here to customize, you can also choose the accent color. So you can change the color of the minutes. Just right here, as you see, it does change color like that. And you can also change the background color. So if you prefer to have it very bright or very dark, that's up to you. And finally, the option that give you the most things. If you select a tile, when you go into customize, you will be able to change the end also. So if we go into data, as you see now, there is that data on top that is blinking. This means that if I select it, I will be able to modify it. Actually, this is the sunrise and sunset time, next occurrence. So actually, it is daytime, and I can see that the sun will set at 16:07. But if I want to keep it that way and change another field, whoops, actually I select it. So if I want to change another field, as you can see, I can go to the other one. You know, when you're satisfied, you press on start stop to navigate through another one, and you can come back with the back button like that. So when it's blink, you press the up and down button to modify it. And when you want to pass to the next one, you press the start stop button. And then again on this one, you can use the up and down button to change the information. So again, we are now in that window, that one. And if we want to come back to the previous one, you use the back button and you can modify it. So when you reach the last one, you press start stop, and then, well, it's done. Oh no, that's the last one. So you can have all of those icons at the bottom. We will see it a little later. And then now it's done. So I can apply it, and that's your new watch face. But we're gonna see in detail everything. So I select that one. I want to customize, and I want to change the data. So okay, let's start with the very first one. That's empty. Okay, so this one, you see it's Thursday 9. That's the day of the week and the day of the month. Then it's the day of the month and the month itself. And you've got your heart rate. So if I was wearing the watch, I would be able to see my heart rate. Now that's your stress level. Again, you need to have the watch on your wrist, your VO2 max. The number of steps of the day, the number of calorie burns today, number of floors you have climbed. That's the number of intensity minute of the week. I think maybe it's of the day, but I think it's of the week. That's your body battery. So how your body is charged, if it was like a battery. That's the battery percentage of the watch. That's what we have seen a little bit earlier. That's the sunset time, and when the sun will be set, we will see what is the sunrise time. That's your actual altitude, the barometric pressure, the universal time clock on Greenwich. Then if you have an appointment on your phone, and your phone is synced with the watch, you would see what is the next appointment. How many text message do you have right now? The outside temperature, which is actually a bit weird because it's raining and it's -5. I can actually tell you that it is snowing and not raining. That's the number of hours you need to rest to be fully recovered from your previous activities, and how many kilometers you have run this week. Again, not sure if it's the week or the day, but I'm pretty sure it's the week. Your fitness level, actually it says detraining because I'm testing another watch, and you've got an empty space. So you really pick what you want into it. You might see that, I'm going to select that one again. Again, when we are here, you can select any data you want, and it's just the same thing. It might just be broadcast differently. When we reach the end, the last one, you have the choice to have nothing or all those icons. The icon is to tell you if your phone is connected to the watch, is the do not disturb mode is enabled. So again, the icon will show up if the phone is connected. If the do not disturb mode is enabled, that's your battery percentage, expressed only on an icon, so it's not as precise as the one we have seen a little bit earlier that was showing the percentage. And then you see the alarm clock, so it will be on if there is an alarm clock incoming, and is your headphone connected over Bluetooth to your phone. So that's what you can have. You can have them or not. So that's up to you. So when you're done, you hit apply, and that's it. So now, as you can see, I just have my phone connected and the battery. We're not in do not disturb. That's what it is. So now you can customize your watch face on your Garmin Forerunner 945. So this is it. Thank you for watching. I hope it helps. If yes, please smash the like button. If you are planning to buy this watch, you can see my link in the description. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can find me back easily next time you need help. If you want to see my other tutorial about this watch, you can see my playlist just right here. And you can also find me on my main channel just right there. Thank you for watching. Take care and see ya.